If you really want to learn, I mean for real, scientifically, about how the human brain works, then you need to get away from the bestsellers list. Some of those books are okay, but honestly, many of the most popular books that have brain in the title aren't based on brain science at all, even when they explicitly claim they are. And even the ones written by people with medical and scientific credentials often aren't people who have expertise in what they're talking about, in basically cognitive neuroscience. Or they are experts, but they've written books that, in my opinion, are often in oversimplified, scientifically inaccurate terms. They're selling you certainty and easy answers, often for self-help purposes. So what should you read then? Well, one of the absolute very best, scientifically rigorous, but still readable, lengthy explanations about how human brains work was written many decades ago by one of the Jedi masters of neuropsychology named Aleksandr Luria. No exaggeration, Luria did for mind-brain science what Einstein did for theoretical physics. He revolutionized our understanding of human brain function to such an extent that even the other leaders in the field were struggling to catch up with him for decades. So in 1973, Penguin Books published this book by Luria, which was translated from Russian, called The Working Brain. I love the 70s lettering. This book is still one of the absolute very best introductions to how the brain works, even though it was written, I think, more than half a century ago. We've definitely learned a lot since the 70s about how brains work, and we have a lot better tools than Luria did for studying human brain anatomy and physiology. But the fundamental concepts and insights that he gives in this book, I think, remain the same. You can find this at libraries, and you can also find this online at used booksellers. In fact, I see it a lot for only about $8 or $10. Alternatively, you can just download it directly from a link on my YouTube channel page. No tricks, no email capture or anything. You just click on the link and you'll download the PDF file for free. So grab it and get into a groove with Luria and let me know how it goes. And when you finish that one, we can dive into the next one with a lot more detail. Thanks for watching. See you next time.